Rogan, be back.
Hi, I'm Michael Shames, and I want to introduce you to a very powerful friend of mine. Folks, this is Peter, the photovoltaic panel. And Peter converts sunlight into electricity. After interviewing all of the installers, I finally settled on one, Carlson Solar. I gave them my $1,000 deposit, signed a couple of contracts, and they told me it would be done in a day or two. The DC current produced by the panel is sent by a conduit to the inverter. The inverter transforms the DC current into AC current. This really interesting device is a new age harp. No, I'm kidding. It's called an inverter. And this inverter actually transforms the DC power that's generated by the panels into AC power, which is a current that can be used by any appliance in my household. DC to AC. Sweet music. The AC power from the inverter box goes into this power box, where that power is then fed into the current for the house. And that AC current gets fed into this appliance, and, well, you know what a microwave does. The panels don't just power my house, they can also power my plug-in hybrid. Just plug the car in, a couple hours, it's recharged and ready to go. Last question, and pretend the camera's not there and pretend the microphone's off. Does this thing really work?
Yes, they do.
And if you don't believe those other guys, let's ask my wife Catherine, because she knows everything. Catherine, is this really gonna work?
It better. Yep, it works.
But ooh, it's alright if I can get you up tonight. Ooh, it's alright if I can get you up tonight. And ooh, it's alright if I can get you up tonight. Ooh.